afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Deborah Kuykendall, work for the City of LaPorte Parks and Recreation Special Services. Welcome to Cooking 101. Today we are going to cook my version of shrimp etouffee. And we're going to have 1 pound of medium shrimp, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 large onion chopped up, 3 garlic cloves chopped up, Creole seasoning to taste, red pepper flakes, which is cayenne pepper, to taste, and 2 cans of golden mushroom soup with 1 cup of milk. The golden mushroom soup is my roux. Thank you. Okay, what we do is we have our onion here. We'll chop it up because we're going to saute it, the garlic, and the bell pepper. Very careful with your fingers. Bowl back here, put our onions here. And we take a clove of garlic, mush it, so we can peel it easier, hopefully. There we go. Very careful. And then you mince. That right there, off there, didn't come off. And we mince. Okay, I have minced garlic up earlier. There goes cloves of garlic. And if you want bell pepper in your etouffee, please do. I don't normally put bell pepper in mine, but I will today. Let's chop it up. We have our onions, our garlic, and our bell pepper. We are going to saute that in unsalted butter. Here's our unsalted butter. I have it at room temperature. That way it'll get more faster here, so I can get my onions and everything and let your butter go down to, like, you know, your liquid butter, and then you'll put your sauteed onions, garlic, and peppers in. Let's get our pan here. Open up our mushroom soup. Spoon to stir up our roux, and we'll get it on the fire and let it start warming up so we can put the shrimp in. You pre-cook your shrimp so that you don't have to worry about doing that all at the same time of making the roux and doing the sauteing of the vegetables. I pre-cooked my shrimp. We have, like I said, 1 pound of medium shrimp. And now we are ready to go ahead and put our vegetables in here. The grease is popping. We will start off with our onions. Let them cook a little bit, get them going so they get translucent a little bit. Yes, looks good. We'll also get our peppers in. Put the garlic in last. You don't want to burn your garlic. It's nasty. Turn the fire just a little bit. Now, what I normally do when I'm sauteing the onions and peppers is I will go ahead and add some of the Creole seasoning in there to get it started. So, hang on just a second. A little Creole seasoning. Just a little bit for now. We'll add more later. Let's go ahead and get the garlic and put it in. Our chopped up garlic that we chopped up earlier. I like garlic. Some people don't like garlic. You don't have to put garlic in there if you don't want. You could do garlic salt, garlic powder, onion salt, onion powder. And however spicy you like it is what you add to your Creole seasoning and your red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper. It is to taste, because some people like it more spicy than others. And this is where the trick comes in. The shrimp go in here to get them sauteed and ready to roll. So the shrimp, put that to the side. Pull your handle around here where you can see it. Dip. A little bit more moisture and a little bit of the cayenne pepper. And we're just about ready to get everything going. It just has to warm up. I use small cans of golden mushroom soup. The big cans are not easy to find. If you want to do a big batch, I would use 4 cans of golden mushroom soup. If you want to dilute it a little bit, get you a regular can of cream of mushroom and put it in there. Just spice it up like you like it. Alright, let me add a little bit of cayenne pepper right here. Like I said, to taste. I like a little spice. A little bit of Creole seasoning. Ooh, that's a lot of Creole seasoning. Alright. Stir it up. Get it going. Take all this goodness here and put it in our roux. With butter and everything. Dump it in there. Yes. Get all your goodness. Warm it all up and get her going. Now I have pre-cooked rice. You cook your rice however you read the directions on the rice package. Some people have a rice cooker. Some people use a stove. It's totally up to the individual. Some people rinse their rice. Just however you cook your rice. If you would like, you could even get oyster crackers and put on top. But I think the rice and the etouffee is plenty. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy your shrimp etouffee. My name is Deborah Kuykendall. I work for the City of LaPorte Parks and Recreation Special Services, Senior Services. This is our Cooking 101 class. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope to see you on our next Cooking 101 class. Thank you and have a good day.